On paper, the battle is already over. Electric hypercars have more torque, faster 0 to 60 times, and technology that makes a V12 look like a steam engine from the 1800s. But if EVs are so superior, why are the world's wealthiest collectors turning their backs on them? Why is the resale value of electric titans crashing while V12 legends are selling for tens of millions of dollars? Today, we're deconstructing the soul gap. Why electric hypercars are officially struggling against the V12 legends. Welcome to Apex Epic. The problem isn't speed, it's the delivery. In a V12, you feel the vibration in your spine. You hear the mechanical symphony of 12 pistons fighting for glory. It's visceral, like it's alive. An electric hypercar, it's a surgical instrument. It's effective, but it's silent. For the car cultures in the US and the UK, a car that doesn't speak to you is just a fast appliance. Nobody wants to pay $2 million for a fast toaster. Here's the cold, hard truth. Investment. A V12 engine is like a fine Rolex. It's mechanical, it's timeless, and it's rare. An electric hypercar is like the latest iPhone. The moment a better battery comes out next year, your $2 million investment becomes obsolete technology. This rapid depreciation is a deal breaker for collectors who see their cars as assets, not just toys. It's why a classic Ferrari can appreciate in value, while a brand new electric hypercar might lose half its worth in just a few years. And then there's the physics. Batteries are heavy. Get that insane 2,000 horsepower, you need a massive battery pack, which adds hundreds, sometimes thousands of pounds to the car's weight. This makes the car feel like a tank in the corners. The V12 legends, like the Gordon Murray T50, focus on lightness and agility. In the hills of California or the beer roads of England, lightness beats raw battery power every single time. A truly great driver's car isn't just about straight-line speed, it's about how it dances through the turns. Even the giants are retreating. Bugatti, the king of excess, chose a V16 hybrid over a pure EV for their latest masterpiece. Why? Because they know their customers. They want the drama. They want the scream. They want to feel the engine breathing behind them. They're willing to integrate electric motors for performance boosts, but they refuse to give up the soul of the internal combustion engine. So, we are at a crossroads. One path is silent and blindingly fast. The other is loud, a bit difficult, and beautiful. Electric is the future of transport, but the V12 is the eternal king of the experience. Where do you stand? You chasing the silent 0-260, or are you staying loyal to the V12 scream? Let's start the debate in the comments below. Subscribe to Apex Epic for more truth behind the machines. I'll see you in the next one.